How to get a personal loan. Securing a personal loan can be a straightforward process if you know the right steps to take. Whether you're looking to finance a major purchase or consolidate debt, understanding how to navigate the application process is key. Here's a concise guide to help you successfully obtain a personal loan. Determine your loan requirement. Before diving into the loan application process, it's essential to clearly define your financial needs. Consider why you need the loan and how much you require. This could range from funding a home renovation, covering unexpected medical expenses, or consolidating high-interest debt. Creating a detailed budget that outlines your expenses and ensures you borrow only what you need, avoiding unnecessary debt. Additionally, think about your repayment capacity and how the loan fits into your overall financial plan. Check your eligibility. Assessing your eligibility is a crucial step in securing a personal loan. Start by checking your credit score through various online platforms that offer free reports. A higher credit score typically translates to better interest rates and terms. Understand the lender's specific requirements, which may include a minimum credit score, income level, and employment status. Also, review your debt-to-income ratio, as lenders often prefer borrowers with a lower ratio. This evaluation will help you identify potential challenges and prepare accordingly before applying. Research lenders and pre-qualify. With numerous lending options available, it's vital to research various lenders to find the best fit for your needs. Look into traditional banks, credit unions, and online lenders to compare interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. Many lenders offer pre-qualification process that allow you to see potential loan offers without impacting your credit score. Take advantage of this feature to assess multiple options side by side. Additionally, read customer reviews and check the lender's reputation for customer service to ensure a smooth borrowing experience. Gather required documents. Once you've chosen a lender, prepare to gather all necessary documentation for your application. Commonly required documents include proof of identity, proof of income, and proof of residence. Some lenders may also ask for bank statements or information regarding any existing debts. Organizing these documents in advance can expedite the application process and demonstrate your preparedness to the lender, increasing your chances of approval. Complete the application. After gathering your documents and selecting a lender, it's time to complete the application process. You can typically apply online or in person depending on the lender's offerings. Fill out the application form accurately, providing all requested information about your financial situation and purpose of the loan. After submission, be prepared for a waiting period while the lender reviews your application. This can range from minutes to several days. If approved, carefully review the loan's agreement's terms before signing to ensure you fully understand the interest rates, repayment schedule, and any associated fees. Securing a personal loan involves careful planning and research. By understanding your needs, checking eligibility, comparing lenders, gathering necessary documents, and completing the application accurately, you can navigate the process confidently and achieve your financial goals effectively. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.